World Special.
Oh, you're right. You definitely have a screw loose. Let me try.
No, I'll just ask Sheldon. He always gets these for me.
I suppose I'm not mechanically inclined enough. What the?
Coming up next on KNTV is more My Life as a Teenage Robot. Stick around.
Come on. Come on, Mario. Come on, Mario, jump! Don't give up.
Want to grow? The calcium in milk helps bones grow.
Okie dokie.
Hello, I'm Blahaj from KNTV News, bringing news coverage you can rely on, only on KNTV.
I drink Dr. Pepper, don't you see? 'Cause it's the perfect taste for me. That original
Texas, what we can know is that people should be careful. Now, we have a breaking news underway as a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the state of New Jersey. Although this is the case, there is nothing to worry about. You will hear downpour and in some cases, some hail dropping at your lawn. I'm just joking, but what this gives is a clear explanation that you should be really careful on where you are right now as it can impose a risk.